When can property managers evict tenants for lease violations? Have you ever wondered when property managers can take the step to evict tenants for lease violations? This is a crucial topic for anyone involved in property management. Let's break it down in a straightforward way. Property managers can initiate eviction when a tenant breaches a significant term of the lease agreement. This includes actions that justify eviction under the law. Common reasons for eviction include not paying rent, having unauthorized occupants or pets, engaging in illegal activities, causing property damage beyond normal wear and tear, creating disturbances, or failing to comply with lease terms like refusing lawful entry. To start the eviction process, property managers must ensure that the lease agreement clearly defines what constitutes a violation. This clarity is essential to establish a legal basis for eviction. Once a violation is identified, the property manager should act quickly by serving the tenant with the appropriate written notice. For most lease violations, except for non-payment of rent, this usually involves a 3-day notice to cure or quit. This notice gives the tenant 3 days to correct the violation or face eviction proceedings. It is important to note that the eviction process must comply with local and state laws. For example, in California, the Tenant Protection Act requires just cause for eviction after a tenant has lived in a unit for 12 months. Just cause includes reasons like breaching lease terms or causing disturbances. Property managers must follow all legal steps, which include providing proper notice and, if needed, filing an unlawful detainer lawsuit to regain possession of the property. This process can vary by state, so it is essential to be familiar with local regulations. To make the process smoother, property managers should keep thorough documentation of lease violations and all communications with tenants. Using attorney-reviewed lease agreements that clearly outline rules and enforcement procedures is also a smart move. Acting quickly but legally to address violations is key to protecting property value and rental income. Understanding and following the formal eviction process helps avoid delays, loss of income, and legal issues. Property managers can evict tenants for lease violations when there is a clear breach of lease terms, supported by proper documentation and legal notice, and when eviction is permitted under local laws. Taking prompt action and adhering to a structured process is vital for effective dispute resolution and successful property management.